my true identity.
Welcome to A Course in Miracles with the Creator of Miracles, where you can get tuned in, tapped in, turned on, and explore and find your true miracles. Open up to and learn directly with the Creator of Miracles as you are guided directly to the Creator and then taught the lessons in this course, guiding you toward ultimate inner peace, self-love, and your miracle is none other than your host, spiritually dialed in leader, the LCM lady, Leslie Gunterson.
Welcome, beautiful souls. I'm so glad you joined us for A Course in Miracles with the Creator of Miracles. Today is lesson 89, and it is a review week, and we are reviewing lessons 77 and 78. And because it's a review week, we're also doing a little bit more expansive meditations. Today, we're really focusing on our identity. We're doing an identity meditation, so join with us. Lesson 77 says, I'm entitled to miracles. Sometimes we might not feel that we're entitled to miracles. They're not things that we see every day. We're not conditioned to notice them. We're conditioned with that scientific, pragmatic mind that says miracles don't happen, don't exist. We're supposed to expect everything. And since miracles are unexpected, we are not programmed to see them necessarily. And the other concept that we are reviewing is to let miracles replace all grievances. As you know, the last couple of days, we're focusing on those grievances. Grievances are a block to the ultimate function of being in unforgiveness and being in peace and being the light of the world. We want miracles to replace all of our grievances. We want to notice the miracles. We want to feel entitled to miracles. We want to live, as our identity says, entitled to those miracles, expecting miracles. Only when you expect them can you see them. If you don't expect them, you probably won't even be able to open your eyes and see them. So let's go to the Creator of all that is and download some of these things and really understand our identity. We begin with our feet flat on the floor, nothing is crossed, and we breathe in unconditional love light energy from our feet into our feet that sparkles, it tingles, and it tingles and tickles all the way up through our feet and the back of our legs, all the way up the back of our upper legs and our hips, all the way up the back of the body and up to the shoulders, and then down into our arms and hands and fingers. Notice the tickle and the tingle up the back of the neck to the top of the head where you pause. And then let go of anything you no longer need down the front of your body. Send it to the floor. And breathe up unconditional love energy all the way through your feet, filling up your feet, tingle, tickle, all the way up the back of your legs and up the back of your hips. Opening up all the energy gates of your body, filling up any area that you need, a touch of miracle, freedom from pain, any disease. Just send that unconditional love light energy down into your arms and hands and fingers, up the back of your neck. And then when you get to the top, let go of anything that no longer serves you down the front of your body. Send it to the core of the earth to discreate. And breathe in unconditional love light energy through the center of your feet, filling up your feet and your toes with that tingly energy. Every cell of your body, all the way to the mitochondria, every DNA section, healing and strengthening your DNA. All the way up your body, repairing any faulty programs of DNA, repairing any problems, aligning your body, opening your energies, providing perfect health, optimizing your health, and maybe even we send some extra energy to the blueprint of perfect health in your pineal gland. I always imagine as a blue energy, a blueprint. Send that energy full to every cell of your body, all the way up, up, up. Then imagine it spilling out the top of your head into a bubble of light. And then you can float in that bubble up, up, up above your ceiling, up above the atmosphere, past the galaxy, past the universe, up through some layers of light, some dark lights and light lights and bright lights and white lights and some golden light, through a thick jelly-like substance, the laws of the universe, through a pink cotton candy-like energy, which is the law of compassion. I ask for extra compassion that the listener might know their identity today in this place, that they would have compassion for their identity, that they might remember choosing their identity when they were with Creator before coming to Earth. That as they go deeper into this energy, they see the white sparkly light in the doorway and they are beckoned in, and poof, they're surrounded by unconditional love light energy, white, sparkly, translucent light all around. It's infinite in this space, and it's the only thing that can be in this space is unconditional love. And as you're here, I just invite you to take that scoop of unconditional love and fill your bubble with it. And I ask that unconditional love fill especially the core of you, which is your identity. As I pray, Mother, Father, God, Creator of all that is, thank you for my life. Thank you for the listener's life. Thank you for our identity that you have given at creation. When you created us in our mother's womb, when you knew us, you gave us identity. You gave us the identity of sons and daughters in Creator through your Son. You gave us entitlement to miracles on earth and said we would do even greater things. Help us to understand our identity at a deeper level so that we might actually do these things and see these things and be miracles, walking, living miracles. The light of the world that would bring peace. And if you would like this download, just say heaven yes. Creator, let us know in our deepest being that you knew us in the womb, that you designed us and gave us a function, gave us an identity, and gave us skills and talents and personalities that are part of this identity. Touch that now in us and grow it for your purpose. Help us to know we are entitled to miracles, the deepest level of our identity. Help that identity grow so big it grows beyond any grievance that could ever exist in us, because we are miracles and they will replace all grievances. Everything that's happened has shaped us to be the miracle that we are today, has shaped our identity that you planned for us from the beginning. Thank you that it is safe to be a miracle, to be in Creator's will and Creator's influence, to accept Creator's plan and to live as lights of the world. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I know you probably felt that. It is done, it is done, it is done. I invite you to take a deep breath and then send it to the core of the earth as you come back into your earthly body, followed by a sparkly shower of light and love and goodness and tingles as you are awakened and enlivened. And I just invite you to gently open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for being here today. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that identity meditation. I know it was a biggie, and I'd love to hear how you enjoyed it as you reach out to me. Bless you to have a wonderful and amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. A Course in Miracles with the Creator of Miracles is brought to you by New Life Paradigm NLP. When two or more agree on anything, your miracle is given. If you are benefiting from listening yet want more agreement and partnership, I'm here for you. If you want to discuss your miracle or explore partnered work more deeply, head on over to newlifeparadigmnlp.com and get more support for your miracle. Again, that is New Life Paradigm NLP, spelled NEWLIFE PARADIGM NLP.com to see more options and classes available to help you create the change you want. And as always, thank you for listening. We appreciate your likes, your downloads, and your subscription.